I won't be tasting this myself because I'm not a fool. This is going to be like off the chart. Welcome back to Al's Kitchen. This week I've got a little bit of a novelty video for you. The hottest curry in the world, called a Nuclear Phall Out. Get it? Nuclear Phall Out? Why am I doing this? Well, Big John, we was in a curry restaurant and he ordered a Naga fowl and he was eating it and he says to me, this just ain't hot enough. So he says to me, Al, why don't you put out for me or make for me the hottest curry you can possibly come up with? Now, I'll be honest with you, this is gonna be like off the chart. This curry is gonna be absolutely nuclear. I mean, I've even been Googling, can you kill yourself with chilies? Because I don't want to put John at risk, do I? I won't be tasting this myself because I'm not a fool, but I'm going to take you through all the ingredients right now. So we have got some extra hot chili powder. I've got a tablespoon of that, some garam masala, a tablespoon of mixed powder or Mal Madras curry powder. I've got some Kasouri Methi, some salt, garlic ginger paste in mixed blend. I've got some extra hot chili flakes. Now onto the chilies. Now a mate of mine grows chilies and he sent me them in the post, and in this bowl here we've got Moruga Scorpion, Naga Brain, Ghost Peach Scorpion, we've got some Thai green chilies, and on top of that I'm going to be using none other than Vikki's Queen Naga. I mean, that alone is enough to blow your head off. Now, this bottle here, this is again homegrown, not by myself, but by a friend of mine who makes his own chili sauces. And I'm telling you what, he gave me this some months ago when we was in a pub, and he says, here Al, try this. And I thought, well, that looks nice and fruity. Took the lid off, just literally touched the lid with my little finger, and I licked my finger. And no word of a lie, and I can take chili. It absolutely ruined my evening. It was going through my intestines. This was making me feel uncomfortable. This is the plutonium of chili, the uranium of curry. This stuff is like alone could kill a man. This could kill 250 men with a teaspoon. And we're gonna put a splash of Worcester sauce and just a little tinkle of lemon. And we've got some coriander and some base gravy. Now this base gravy is my easy base, 4 ingredients, onions, carrots, curry powder, really easy to make. And it does the job just nice for your Indian restaurant curries at home. We've got some tomato puree, I've mixed some water in with that, and I've quartered a tomato. Now, I want to thank Gordon Thomas in Germany sending me this lovely special edition Erdinger glass. This is it's a Sommer Marchen, and Erdinger is one of my favourite drinks, and can't always pour them as per my last video, but I'm going to pour myself a nice beer from my keg. Now look at that glass of golden goodness, and that beautiful. Look at the colour of that. There's only 2 liquids that are this colour, and it's lager and yeah, cheers everyone. Right, let's get on with this killer of a curry. Right, so let's add in some vegetable oil, which is what Indian restaurants use. Sometimes they use vegetable ghee. I should use all that. Sometimes they add a splash of butter ghee. Get that nice and warm. Now, because this is BIR, this curry is going to be cooked in no time at all. And to be honest, I don't reckon John's going to eat this. And I don't blame him if he doesn't. I mean, I actually think this could put a guy in hospital. Serious. Right, let's go in with the ginger and garlic paste first. Right, back a spoon. Stir that out. Nice and gently. Just fry that out to take the bitterness out. Right, let's go in with some chili flakes. There we go. Take any chili flakes off the side so they don't burn. Right, we're going to cook the powders now, but not for very long. So we've got the chili powder, garam masala, mixed powder. Stir them into the oil. Bloom the spices. There we go, nice and hot. In goes the tomato paste. Back a spoon. Woo! That's beautiful. Now, I boiled some raw chicken in the base gravy for 10 minutes as a pre-cook. We're gonna throw in our chicken with our all-important chilies. Do you know what? I don't even want to touch the chilies. How many of you guys out there have been chopping chilies only to have a wee, and then a minute later you're like, oh my God, I'm so aware of my private parts, it's unreal. Ooh, that's it. Now we want to add a ladle of base gravy. And another ladle of base gravy. Oh, we just want to cook that out for a little bit. Here we go, the lovely Queen Naga. Let's add a nice generous tablespoon of that. Actually, we'll add 2. That's the Queen Naga. Now the Queen is hotter than the King. So the Queen's pretty fit out here. God, look at that. That is absolutely flame red. Now we're going to add a splash of Worcester sauce. Splash of lemon. Kasouri Methi. Tomatoes. And the salt. It's one thing I love about cooking BIR curries. For you that don't know, that's the oh God, it's the British Indian restaurant style of curry. Because once you've got the base gravy ready, they don't take any time at all. And I will be doing a new series of BIR curries at home. All your favourites, new improved recipes, freshened up, new for the channel, probably in the new year. So subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. If you want to be able to cook your takeaway curries at home to impress yourself and your families. Right, let's add some coriander to that. Not that it's going to taste much with all that chilli in it. Right, let's get LED cam out so you can see there's lovely colours. I mean, it does look amazing, that. Look at that, isn't that beautiful? Look. Right, that is ready to plate up. So John, I've told everybody you wanted me to make you like the absolute hottest curry, so much so that I've got contacts of mine to send me their homegrown chilies, their chili sauces, as well as the commercially available Naga pickles, as well as the extra hot chili powders, chili seeds. I mean, this is really going to fuck you up. Well, I don't want it to, and I'm actually worried about your health. Are you sure you want to go ahead with this?
I do, yeah.
Right.
I'm a bit nervous, but you know, I set the challenge. Yeah.
So I've got a little baby spoon for me.
Couldn't get any smaller, could it?
A big one. And can I get you a drink?
Yeah.
Some milk?
Well, just in case. But...
Just in case. I've got a disclaimer.
A disclaimer.
The thing is, I would like you to sign that now before you eat it. Because obviously, if you're dead, I can't forge your signature with your hand. Let me just go and get it. Right, so John, I want you to read through this, and when you're happy with it, sign it, and we will proceed.
Right, okay. Blimey. It must be hot.
That's right, that's good. That covers me in the event of death. Right, so here you go.
And you're going to try a bit as well, are you?
I'm going to see your response first. It's things we do, eh?
I know.
Come on, get it down, yeah?
That's lovely. God, that is hot, isn't it? Ooh,
Do you feel like you could eat all that?
a bit at a time.
Shall I try a little bit?
Oh, bloody hell.
Oh, good, that is tasty, isn't it?
It's very tasty.
That's as far as I can go.
Yeah.
Absolutely as far as I can go. So is that hotter than the restaurant?
Oh, God, yeah. Could it blow me head off eating all this? Wow. Bloody hell. Oh, bloody hell.
That is red, isn't it?
It certainly is.
Come on, grubs up. Gee, you could barely let that touch you.
Wow. Good God. I can't believe something that is so hot has still got so much flavour to it.
Yeah, so if you take out all the chilli, you're left with just that flavour.
Yeah.
Beautiful, isn't it? Is that your limit, or do you want to go a bit hotter? I've got some more plutonium salt.
But Grinder. Oh.
Oh, it's sweating.
Oh, bloody hell.
Blow your nose, John. There's literal snot coming out of his nose. Here we go. Big blow. I don't know. I mean, who would eat a curry like this? You're going to try it at home, I hope. Oh, he's cheating now. He's on the milk. Cheers, fella.
Cheers then, Al. Thanks for that.
Keep going.
I was going to go to eat it next door.
No, you all want to see it at home, don't you? Proof. You can lie about it. So I ate it a lot.
Let's go.
You ever seen that film, Ring of Fire?
There's certainly been Ring of Fire tomorrow.
Come on, more sauce. Eating all the chicken.
Oh, God, yeah. One more.
You sure?
Yeah.
Can't finish it, no?
No.
You done well with the chicken.
Yeah.
And it goes, oh, come on, all that lovely gravy.
Oh.
Is that how you like a curry in a curry house? Like, you know, you really know you've got a curry, a 70s style fowl, you know, really burn your mouth, make you feel like you've had a night out.
Well, yeah.
Like it used to be in the old days before everybody got soft.
I don't know what you put in there, but it's bloody hot.
You've got loads of different you've got like ghost chili,
Really?
Moruga Scorpion.
Wow.
Yeah, I mean, I've written them down somewhere, all the names. There's a guy, a friend of mine called Melvin.
Yeah.
Hi Melvin. He grows chilies. He sent me those. I've got lots in the freezer.
Well, you kept quiet about this, didn't you?
No, I did. But they're colourful and flavoursome. And do you know something I learned from him? Is they don't have to be red to be hot. Some of the pale white ghost chilies, or the white ones, or the pale yellows, they can be just as hot. There's a damage in your tongue. See, I actually thought your tongue was made of asbestos. I thought you'd like ironed your tongue with a Moulinex to get all the creases out years ago. All the lies you're telling. Oh God, he's done. I tell you, he's done absolutely fantastic here. He really is. He's not taking much sauce. It's just the chicken. Look. You finish that off? Do you think? If you don't finish it, you've got to pay for it. It's 100 quid. 100 quid that curry.
Oh, the things I do.
I'll give you some of the YouTube proceeds, but make sure you like and subscribe because John wants to get some pay out of this. If I don't get more than 50 likes out of this, John ain't getting paid. There we go. Is it getting hotter or are you getting used to it? There we go. 1, 2, 3. That's what I used to say to the kids. That weren't tomato, that was a bit of chilli.
Was it?
In it goes. Good boy.
Oh.
I think we might wrap it up shortly. John's doing a brilliant job.
Oh.
John, blow your nose. Seriously, you're dribbling. Yeah, John's done a fantastic job. He's done better than I thought he could. And try this at home at your own risk. I'll leave the recipe in the description box below. Smash that like button. Leave me a comment. Thanks for all my already followers, my subscribers. Love you all. And I'll be back soon with another curry for you at home. So, John, how was that?
Bloody hot. Wow.
All right, bye everyone.
And tasty.
Take care.
See ya.
Bye-bye.
Bye bye.
So it seems John was being a really brave boy when we filmed that, because early this morning I got a phone call saying that John was in hospital, severe stomach cramps, terrible pain and discomfort, and we went to the hospital. So I've just got back from the hospital. John's fine, but needless to say, that was a hot curry. So give the video a like. John would really appreciate that. It was his idea. I did what he asked me to, and he's ended up in hospital. So sorry, John. Don't think you'll be ordering that again. But anyway, take care, everyone. See you in the next video.